What if I told you that there is an ancient map, created centuries before any satellite or modern technology, that accurately shows the continents of the Earth, including regions that were only discovered thousands of years later? A map that defies everything we learned in school, and that could completely change our view of the history of humanity. Today, you will learn about the forbidden map that science tries to ignore, the Piri Reis map and the mysteries it holds. Subscribe to the channel, activate the bell icon, and prepare to delve into one of the greatest enigmas in history. Block 1: The discovery of the map in 1929. At the Topkapi Palace in Istanbul, a group of historians made an unbelievable discovery. While examining ancient Ottoman manuscripts, they found a map drawn on gazelle skin, dated 1513. The author, a Turkish admiral named Piri Reis, known for his navigation skills. But what caught their attention wasn't just the map itself. It was what it showed. The map displayed the coasts of Europe, Africa, and the Americas with a level of detail impossible for the time, and more. It showed Antarctica without ice. How could someone in 1513 have drawn Antarctica without the ice sheet if it was only officially discovered in 1820? Blocked the impossible details upon analyzing the map. Scientists noticed something disturbing. The proportions and coordinates were extremely close to measurements made by modern satellites. In 1960, the Cartographic Office of the U.S. Air Force examined the map and officially declared the accuracy of the geographical details cannot be explained based on the geographical knowledge of 1513. How did Piri Reis have access to this information? He himself wrote a note on the map, saying he had used ancient maps from the time of Alexander the Great. Others say he had access to even older sources, perhaps from lost civilizations. Some scholars believe the map was based on documents from the legendary Library of Alexandria. Others, more daring, claim it as proof of extraterrestrial contact. Block 3: Antarctica without ice, but the most frightening detail is yet to come. The map shows Antarctica without ice, with rivers, mountains, and vegetation. This corresponds to Antarctica as it would have been more than 6,000 years ago, before the Ice Age. But, who could have seen Antarctica in this way? No modern human being knew that continent at that time. Some geologists suggest that the map may have been copied from much older sources, perhaps prehistoric ones. That is, advanced civilizations could have mapped the Earth long before official history began. This raises a disturbing question. Could there have been a global civilization long before ours? Block 4: Forgotten civilizations in recent years. Discoveries like Göbekli Tepe and Turkey Temple, dated to 12,000 years ago, have challenged the idea that civilization began only 5,000 years ago. What if Piri Reis had actually copied information from a much older culture that mastered astronomy, navigation, and geography with unimaginable precision? Some researchers connect the map to the legends of Atlantis, the advanced civilization that mysteriously disappeared under the waters. Others believe that this knowledge may have been a legacy from visitors from other worlds, who helped ancient peoples understand the shape of the Earth. Regardless of its origin, the Piri Reis map shouldn't exist, and yet, it does. Block 5: What science says. Skeptics argue that the map is not as accurate as it seems, that the similarities to Antarctica may be coincidental, and that scale errors confuse interpretations. But there's a problem. Many of these errors only make sense if the map was based on a spherical projection of the Earth, something that was only fully understood centuries later. Furthermore, studies conducted by Ohio University showed that the coastal patterns drawn by Piri Reis correspond precisely to radar images of the Antarctic subsoil beneath the ice. How could he have known this? Block 6: Conclusions and Theories. The Piri Reis map remains one of the greatest enigmas in human history. Could it be proof of a lost civilization with advanced knowledge? Or just a historical error that our modern minds insist on deciphering? Some believe that there are other similar maps hidden in private collections, or even in secret Vatican archives. The truth is, the more science advances, the more the past seems to hide secrets that don't fit the official narrative. The Piri Reis map is more than a piece of ancient parchment. It is a reminder that perhaps we don't know the whole truth about the origins of humanity, and perhaps the true maps of the Earth are still hidden, waiting for the right moment to be revealed. If you enjoyed this mystery, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the notification bell, because there are still many secrets from the past that the world is trying to hide.